Greetings, sir. Myself Rituraj, and this is my fifth project of CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript. In this project, I have to take care of 7 major points, and the project name is network. So, the first major point is about creating a post. So, before creating a post, first of all, we have to log in into this web application. Yeah, so the first point is about creating, or you can say creating or writing a new post. So we can do this by clicking on this link in the navigation bar, new post, and then we will be able to create a new post. We have to write the content of the post and click on submit button, and now you can see the post is completely added to our all post. And because all post is sorted in a reverse chronological order, that's why my post is at the top right now. Okay, now the next or second point is about the all post. So whenever we click on all post, we will be able to see all the available posts in our web application, and all the post will contain the content of the post, the author of the post, the time at which the post is created, an edit icon if the post is written by the login user, and a like button, as you can see it. Now the third point is about a profile page. So whenever we click on any author's name in the post, we will be redirected on a author's profile page. In this scenario, you can see it's Rituraj, and also we can, let's say, anonymous, and we can see all the posts written by that specific user. And this is also sorted in a reverse chronological order. So for sign in user, there is an option to unfollow or follow this specific user, and for the user who are not authenticated, this button will be not visible to them. Now the fourth point is about following the following link in the navigation bar. So whenever we click the following link in the navigation bar, we will be redirected on a following URL, as you can see, and we will be able to see all the posts written by those users that I am currently following. Right now I'm following 6 users, so these are the posts written by those 6 followers in a reverse chronological order, as you can see the time. And this following page is also visible to only authenticated users. Now the fifth point is about pagination. Okay, so we came back to the all post section, and we can see, so as the point states that I should be able to represent 10 posts in a single page, and if there are more posts, then we will be able to get onto the next 10 posts or the next posts which are left, and we can see it if the post are ends or we have a previous page, then we will have an option to go to the previous section as well. Now this is the fifth point. Now sixth point is about the editing a post. So you can see, oh, I can only edit those posts which was written by me. So to edit a post, first of all, I have to click that edit icon, and then my post content will be converted into a text area, where the text area is prefilled with the content that which is my post content. So I can update it or delete it or do whatever operation that I wanted to do, and then I will click on save button to save this post. It is updated in the database as well. As you can see, when I refresh it, it is updated, as well as it was using fetch functionality of JavaScript, so that the page does not get refreshed and update would be visible reflected to the current page. Now the last point and second point is about liking and unliking a post. You can see that I can like or unlike a post. Whenever I will like a post, the icon would be filled with the color of red, or you can say it will be changed, and the number of likes would be increased. And when I unlike any post, the number of like decrease with a change in the icon, as you can see. So the all the 7 major points are covered, and the project is completely working well. So thank you, have a great day.